morning, you all. Happy Saturday. I'm up, wash my face, brush my teeth, done my skincare, all that good stuff. It's just me and my dookie braids this morning. My mom was kind enough to braid my fro back up for me last night. She actually loves doing my hair. I think it makes her feel like I'm a little girl again, but she likes it. So I love for her to do my hair and then I don't have to do it. So she braided my hair back up for me. It is Saturday morning, like I said. We've been having a very slow morning thus far. It's almost 11 o'clock, which is usually not the norm for us, but honestly, we've been doing so much in the house that everybody's exhausted. So we've definitely started slow these last 2 days. Yesterday we were up late. Well, Thursday night we were up late, so we slept late yesterday, then we worked yesterday, and today's just Saturday, and we were like, you know what, we're just gonna take a break from all of this. So I am about to make my family some pancakes. They love your girls' pancakes. They love my pancakes. So whenever I come home, I always end up making a good amount of pancakes while I'm home. So they requested pancakes, and my mom wants real bacon. So my dad just ran to the store to pick her up some real bacon, because we, meaning he, my brother, and I, we pretty much eat turkey bacon, but my mom likes real bacon. So he went to get her some real bacon, and he's back now. So I'm about to go downstairs, pancakes for them, and then I think after we eat breakfast, we're all gonna get dressed and we're gonna drive down to Hyannis, which is a part of the Cape Cod. If you don't know, I'm from Boston, Massachusetts, New England, and obviously, like, we're covered by water. There's water on like multiple sides of us, so we have all these little islands, and the Cape and Rhode Island, and you know, we're all right there with each other. So we're gonna drive down to the Cape, and I think we're just gonna hang out and kind of have like a social distanced family thing, because everything is still super strict in Boston, with like 6 feet apart and stuff like that. But it makes it a little bit easier to go outside, and it makes you a little bit less uneasy about going outside, which is nice. And then we are going to probably go to one of my favorite seafood restaurants of all time. They have the best clam strips, and I have been doing so well. I've been working out so much, eating really well. Yesterday I had that Jamaican food, but I ended up getting chicken and veggies. I didn't even eat the rice. So today will definitely be my cheat meal. I'm probably gonna eat some of these pancakes because it's just too much work for me to make them pancakes and then make oatmeal as well, and like boiled eggs and stuff. So I'll probably eat some pancakes and just make this more of like a cheat day, which I usually don't do. I usually do more of like a cheat meal. But honestly, I'm trying to get back into living an overall healthier lifestyle, and for me this is just a part of it. Like, I'm gonna eat the things that I want. I'm not gonna deprive myself. So I'm gonna have some pancakes, and I'm probably gonna have some clam strips later, and that's my business. Who gonna check me, boo? So yeah, gonna go make these pancakes before my dad blows a gasket because he's hungry and Jeff gets hangry. And a hangry Jeff is not what we need in our lives. A hangry Jazzy, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I call my dad Jazzy, and I call my mom Slice because my dad's name is Jeff, DJ Jazzy Jeff, and my mom's name is Kim, and somehow we ended up calling her Kimbo Slice, and then it got shortened to Slice. And then I call everybody baby whatever, so she's baby Slice, I'm baby Brie. Like, you guys know I call Carl's baby Carl, so, or baby Bell Cheese because her last name is Bell. But anyway, let's go make this food. So it is later on in the day and I am dressed now. I have on, let me show you. I have on this little slip dress from Zara. This light in the back is blocking you, but it's just this little like emerald green slip dress from Zara during the fall. It is like 100 degrees in Boston. I tried shorts, I tried other dresses, I tried Bermuda shorts, I tried everything, and it is still extremely hot. So I was like, you know what, my dad was like, you're probably gonna be hot in that, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take my chances because at least I can breathe in this, and it's spaghetti strap, and yeah. So I think we are about to head out, go for a little drive or something, maybe get some Lena because it's like 3:30. Dinner yet either. So yeah, that's what's going on with the Perry family. I will take you guys along with me. I think I'm just gonna put on my little dad sandals right here because they're comfortable and kind of give you guys like a little sporty chic situation today. So yeah. Oh, and I pulled my hair up. My hair was in a fro. It looked so cute, but it is just too hot for all of that to have it all on my neck. It's just too hot. So heading out. These shoes make so much noise, but they're so cute. I'm heading out. Oh, it is hot. Jesus. Be a fence all around me. It's hot. My mom and I are heading out. We are about to go to some home stores to look at furniture for her room. I'm back. I had to move the car real quick because we still have this massive dumpster right here from the renovations. Basically, the cars are staying in our driveway. So we had to move the car real quick, move my dad's car from behind my mom's truck so that she and I could pull out. And then I had to run back inside. I had to run back inside and get myself snacks because I've been shopping with my mom and my aunt for my entire life, and they can pretty much not eat, and that's not me. I need snacks. So I got some Skinny Pop and some of my whole wheat ginger snaps. They're so good. And yeah, that's what's going on. So baby Slice and I are on our way to get my auntie, right? Yeah. We're going to get my aunt, and then we're going to head to Natick, Massachusetts, which is like, what, 45 minutes away? From the city where my aunt lives. And we're gonna go out there because they have like tons of really nice home stores. They have this home store called, called Our House, and my mom actually got her bed from it. It's gorgeous. So if we go back in there today, I will show it to you guys because it's an A++ buy, honey. Okay, it's an A++. But anyway, that is what's going on. So we're just gonna go ahead and drive over to my aunt's, and then I'll probably see my grandma as well. That's that. Her birthday was last week. What day was Minnie's birthday? Thursday? Her birthday was on Thursday. So unfortunately, because of Miss Rona, we can't take her out like we usually would, but she had some nice little gifts and she had a good day. So yeah, It is very hot, you guys. It's like 93 degrees here today, and it's not giving me that breeze. The one thing that I love about living in Boston is that unlike Atlanta, there's water all around us, so we always have a nice sea breeze, but she's not hitting today like she usually does, so that's fun. So going to get my auntie, then we're gonna head to Natick, and I'll probably talk to you guys once we get my aunt. So this is my mom's bed. Isn't it so cute? We love it. I like this bench too. This is cute. I don't think that our ceiling is high enough for you to put a chandelier over the bed.
Yeah, it will.
I don't think so.
It will, because you can just...
I don't wanna tell you. I don't wanna tell you.
I like these. Now we're heading into Marshall's. Didn't that used to be Michael's? What was that? Oh, AC Moore. I knew it was something like that. We're heading into Marshall's, and then we're gonna go to Ulta because I want some new skincare. I'm gonna get these little Nike workout skirts, like tennis skirts. I used to be a tennis coach, and honestly these are so comfortable, and I just need some new workout stuff. I told myself I wasn't gonna buy anything, but I definitely need some workout clothes. And what better way to be motivated to work out than a cute outfit? I got this cut on my hand. I haven't been in Ulta, y'all. I love Ulta. Haven't been in here in forever. Tracy Ellis Ross has a new hair care line. It's so cute. My mom and I are gonna try it out. Oh, she has a pick? This is a cute pick. We love it. I've been using the Tula skincare products, and I've been using hers and I love them, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get some of my own. I've been using her purifying cleanser, her moisturizer. It's all just so good. So I bought my aunt this little granny visor because I love these. You know, we have to protect the face, protect the skin. And she looks so cute. Doesn't it look so cute with her outfit, guys? And the mask to match. Her whole face is covered. You could commit a crime and nobody would even know. This is why I'm so extra, you guys. This, between the two of them, it was just like imminent that I would be extra. Look at this one. She's already down at the car. She basically runs away from people in public because she's COVID scared. So we're on our way back to my grandma's. She made collard greens today, y'all. My favorite. I love greens. Y'all remember? For Easter? Yeah. I made my own greens. I was so proud. If we're gonna go to the one in Dedham, we can go to Whole Foods. We'd love to see it. stopping in Whole Foods real quick because I let my aunt taste some of my ginger snaps and she loved them. So we're going into Whole Foods to pick her up some. And they're supposed to be healthy. They're whole wheat. She over here talking about, these would taste good with some vanilla ice cream. I'm like, girl, they are supposed to be good for you. These are the ginger snaps that I eat. They're so good.
Is it separate order?
Hi, baby Alice. Hey, look at my grandma's gorgeous Sunday dinner. Thank God. I missed you. They missed you. The people missed you. Do something special. Give me a jump. Jump. Let me see how high you can jump. 1, 2, 3. Woo! You got up high.